Hello friends. From the series of numbers, it is our second lecture based on the fractions. To get these type of videos, please subscribe and share our channel on daily basis. What are the fractions? Fraction is a part of whole. Whole means एक full object अगर आप लेते हैं उसको हम whole कहकर चल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Fraction is a part of whole means the fragment. Fragment means एक piece, एक टुकड़ा of something or a numerical value which is not a whole number. वो numerical value जो एक whole number के equal नहीं हो, like half. Half is 1/2, like 1/4. It is a fourth, 1/4 part of the whole. Such kind of numbers are called fraction. Fraction is expressed as p by q. P is called numerator and q is said to be denominator. P and q both are integers, but q not equals to 0, as we have discussed in our previous video about rational numbers. In case of rational numbers, those numbers which can expressed in terms of p by q, where q is not equals to 0, is a condition for the fractional numbers also. And this is the example. Suppose we are taking a circle and 4 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. So this can represent as 4 by 5. And this is a circle having one shaded portion out of 4. So it is written as 1/4. 1 is shaded out of 4, and here 4 is shaded out of 5 parts. That represent a fraction. Second one is type of fractions. First is proper fractions. If absolute value of the expression, absolute value means when you are considering about the positive one, positive fraction is less than 1. If absolute value of the expression is less than 1, means when numerator is less than the denominator in a fraction called as proper fraction, like 1/3, 4/7, 3/5. In all these cases, the numerator is less than the denominator. But in case of negative fraction like -1/3, when you take its absolute value, means positive value, then 1/3 you will write this number, and -7/9 can expressed as 7/9 for its absolute value. And in all these cases we have numerator is less than the denominator in case of fractions, and these type of fractions are called proper fractions. Similarly, we are going towards the improper fractions. If absolute value of the fraction is greater than 1, means to say numerator should be greater than denominator of fraction, are known as improper fractions. For examples, 7/4. When you divide 7 with 4 and numerator is greater than the denominator, and 9/4, again it is an improper fraction. -5/2 is also an improper fraction. When you take its absolute value, it becomes 5/2. Again, this number is greater than 1. So these numbers are called improper fractions. One more type is there, unit fraction. What is unit fraction? Unit means 1. A fraction with numerator 1 is called as unit fraction. For examples like 1/3, 1/6, 1/8. You can see in case of these all numbers, the numerator is sustained. It is 1. Right? So such type of numbers are called unit fractions. And second one is dyadic fractions. Dyadic fractions have denominator in powers of 2. The fraction in which denominator is written in the powers of 2, like 1/2. 2 means in case of denominator it is 2 raised to the power 1, and 1/4 here 2 square, and 8 can expressed as 2 cube. The fraction in which the denominator is written in the powers of 2 are called dyadic fractions. And next one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, the name mixed is saying something. It is a combination of two kind of or three kind of things. The improper fractions can be reduced to mixed kind of fractions which contains an integral part and other fractional part, like 9/4 is an improper fraction, and we divide it to get quotient 2 remainder 1 and divisor 4. When you divide 9 with 4, we get 2 as a quotient and remainder is 1 and divisor is 4. So we write as 2 and 1 by 4, that is the integral part is 2 and fractional part is 1 by 4. जब आप 9 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 आपका जो है 2 वो एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट है और 1/4 जो है ये आपका फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट है. तो इन दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ द नंबर्स इज सेड टू बी द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. सो 9/4 is the improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator and it can expressed in this form. 2 and 1/4 is called mixed fraction. And next one is decimal fraction. These are very important fractions, and these fractions can be used in terms of physics, chemistry, in size of atoms, है ना, in size of molecules and their diameters. So these are very small objects, like atom is very small, cannot seen by the naked eyes. At that time some scientific notations can be explained with the help of decimal fractions or percentage. The fraction which has denominators in powers of 10 are called decimal fractions, and percentage means out of 100. So 65%, which can be treated as 0.65, or that is 65 upon 100, means 65 parts out of 100, so it can treat it as a percentage. Similarly, 225% can expressed as 225 upon 100, but it is written as 2.25 or 2 and 1/4. Similarly, when you divide 225 with 100, we get 2 as a integral part and 1/4 as a fractional part. So 2 and 1/4 is also taking as the conversion of decimal fraction into the mixed fraction. And after that, decimal fraction can also taken as 0.00067, that is in the scientific notation 6.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. It is also called the standard notation for the decimal fractions of this kind. In our upcoming section, we will discuss more about the primes. What are the primes and how many different pairs of primes are concerned with the definition of primes. Thank you for watching and subscribing our channel Mathematics Catalyst. Thank you.